sensitivity is usually set on 5, Tammy said. Reason being is you want this when it comes back to read a -2. So it shows that everything's done. This, the higher the number, faster the breath. Lower the number, the slower it goes in. Okay.
And that's the eye time?
And this sets your pressure.
Okay.
For purposes today, she said stay on 15 for everything. So the lung is hooked up, and you can watch it here. It was set on. Okay. See how? Watch the lung. See how quick it went in. The pressure is constant.
Just push it one time.
So how fast it goes in. See, that went in fast. You lower the number. You see how it takes.
So you lowered the flow rate.
Correct.
And that was the eye time. Okay, and so the slower.
The lower this number is, the slower it inflates. The higher the number, you put it on like 40. Watch this. It's really quick breath. So you have to adjust that. And then you take this off. Put your filter aiming here.
No, it's fine, you do it. I want you to do it. I'm just saying. No, you're fine sucking on it. I just was near. Don't leave it. Don't everybody take a turn because it's right.
Yeah, don't be tight. And that goes in.
You want to do it like that, that's fine.
Okay. And you put your mouthpiece in here.
Bang the blood. You let
me know when you're ready. You just
Keep it in your mouth.
keep it in your mouth, create a tight seal, and then when it starts coming in, breathe in.
Oh, I peed in my pants.
Good thing we wear the pants.
She started laughing.
Are you ready?
Start over. Gosh. It went along.
My time's shorter. Shorter. Turn it down. There you go. Now try it. No, you don't. Wait a minute. You don't have to turn it on. You suck. You pull in on it, Amy.
Oh.
Turn it on, Mr. Ben.
Too much.
Can you turn my pressure down to 15 there?
It's 15.
Huh?
It is
Well,
15.
pull it on down a little more. Keep it tight seal.
Yeah.
Now, see what happens is when the patient takes a breath, he or she. Okay, let's walk. Will you start it one more time? Wait before you do. You see, watch the red. Now pull in, Amy. See how it went back too? That's the sensitivity. She sucked in to pull it in. So you can do it. See? And that's all you want to do. And if it's more than that, then you want to put the number smaller so they have to pull less.
If it's more than what? The -2?
-2, then make the number less. If it's less than -2, then make the number more.
On the eye time.
On the sensitivity.
On the sensitivity.
Sensitivity, normal sensitivity is a -2. On the bird, you have no idea what a -2 is. All you have is numbers. So if you started on 5, when Amy pulled in, breathed in, pulled in, then what happens is you saw the needle go to the red. The red is negative. Just like if you're going to cough, you have to take in a breath. So for it to open up your airway, for your glottis to come open and your epiglottis to set up so that it stays up where it's supposed to be so that it'll close back, is you got to pull in a -2. When you do that, pulls it in, and then bingo, delivered the breath to you. Amy, you felt the breath, your chest blew up. Once it reached the 10 centimeters of water pressure, then what happened was the machine cycles off. The lungs are full.
How do we know it's 10 centimeters?
Because that's what it's set on.
Okay.
We just set on 10. I don't know what our tidal volume is at that. We'd have to exhale back, but we just use this. While you're breathing on it today, I want you to use small numbers. I don't want any blebs blown. I don't want any pneumos made. I just want you to see what it feels like. And for being, I use something even smaller than that.
Okay.
Said my boots was too big.